2 years have now passed since the first eruption of Fagradalsfjall Volcano in Geldingadalur Valley here in Iceland. And this summer the volcano will celebrate the 1-year anniversary of its latest eruption, which took place in the neighboring valley Meradalir in August 2022. Both of these were spectacular events that caught the attention of the whole world, and thousands of people got to witness this mesmerizing show up close. Thanks to the fact I live here on the island, I was also between the lucky ones, and honestly, I didn't really think that the new eruption in Meradalir would take my breath away the same way the previous one did, but boy, was I wrong. I stayed at the site for 2 whole days, just watching the volcano and taking photos. An ultimate photographer's dream. When people ask me what was it like, I always compare the volcano to a big campfire, as it constantly keeps changing its shape, and so you could be easily watching it for days and never get bored of it. That is, if you like campfires, of course. But it was really the deep, distant rumbling of the volcano that kept reminding me that I was witnessing something far more powerful, as it slowly kept swallowing the surrounding land. I think that experience like this is something very hard to describe, as it was without a doubt amongst the strongest moments of my life. There is something very humbling about watching the lava flow from the crater and slowly cover everything in its path. It really reminds you that it is the nature that has the last say here, how much power is hidden beneath us, and that everything in this world is temporary. And like I mentioned, it soon will be a year since the last eruption, which makes me wonder, where is the next one going to happen, and more importantly, can we expect another one this year?